In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Rakuten Viki subscription. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Viki.com. Sign in to your account using your usual login method. If you use a social login, like a connected account, that's perfectly fine. Just make sure you end up in the account that actually has the active subscription. If you manage more than one account, double-check the email address shown after you log in to confirm you're in the right place. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page and tap your profile icon. It's usually a small circular avatar. A menu will appear. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the page where all of your account details live, including your plan and billing information. On the Account Settings page, find and open the Subscription tab. This section shows your current plan, billing cycle, and the next renewal date. It's helpful to note that canceling a subscription stops future auto-renewals. You will typically keep access to your current benefits until the end of the already paid billing period, so you won't lose access immediately after canceling. Next, tap Cancel Plan. When you do this, you may see a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to proceed. Carefully review the message so you understand what will change. Then confirm by tapping Yes, Cancel Plan. This is the action that finalizes the cancellation and prevents the next charge. After confirming, look for a clear cancellation confirmation on the screen. You should also receive a confirmation email shortly after. Keep an eye on your inbox, and if you don't see it within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder as well. It's a good idea to keep that email for your records, since it shows the date you canceled and may include the date your access will end. If the on-screen message doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page and revisiting the Subscription tab to verify that your plan is no longer set to renew. That's all there is to it. You've opened your browser, gone to Viki.com, signed in, navigated to your account settings, selected the Subscription tab, tapped Cancel Plan, confirmed by choosing Yes, Cancel Plan, and then checked for your confirmation both on-screen and by email. With those steps complete, you've successfully canceled your Rakuten Viki subscription and stopped future renewals. You can continue enjoying your shows until the end of your current billing period, and you can always return to your account later if you decide to subscribe again.